Welcome to our review video on the top 10 best smart door locks that combine cutting-edge technology with enhanced security to redefine how you access your home. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the features, pros, and cons of each model, helping you make an informed decision about which smart door lock suits your needs best. Number 1. Yale Assure Lock 2. The Yale Assure Lock 2 stands out as a reliable and robust smart door lock. Its sleek design seamlessly blends with any door, while its advanced security features, including touchscreen access, voice control compatibility, and a tamper-proof deadbolt, provide peace of mind. However, some users may find the installation process slightly complex. Pros: secure touchscreen access, voice control compatibility, tamper-proof deadbolt. Cons: installation can be intricate. Number 2. Akara Smart Lock U100. The Akara Smart Lock U100 offers an elegant and modern smart door lock solution. Its compact design conceals a plethora of features, such as fingerprint recognition, smartphone control, and easy installation. On the downside, its compatibility with certain door types might be limited. Pros: fingerprint recognition, convenient smartphone control, easy installation. Cons: compatibility limitations with some door types. Number 3. August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. The August Wi-Fi Smart Lock excels in convenience and accessibility. Its seamless integration with existing deadbolts, remote access capabilities, and compatibility with virtual assistants make it a strong contender. However, connectivity issues may arise for some users. Pros: integrates with existing deadbolts, remote access capabilities, virtual assistant compatibility. Cons: connectivity issues reported. Number 4. Wyze Lock Bolt. The Wyze Lock Bolt offers an affordable smart lock option with impressive features. Its auto lock and unlock functionality, keyless entry, and compatibility with the Wyze ecosystem create a user-friendly experience. Pros: auto lock and unlock feature, keyless entry convenience, integration with Wyze ecosystem. Cons: occasional reliability concerns. Number 5. Schlage Encode Wi-Fi. The Schlage Encode Wi-Fi boasts secure Wi-Fi connectivity and easy installation. Its built-in alarm technology, compatibility with virtual assistants, and wide-ranging user codes add to its appeal. Pros: secure Wi-Fi connectivity, built-in alarm technology, compatibility with virtual assistants. Cons: bulky design for some door aesthetics. Number 6. Schlage Encode Plus. The Schlage Encode Plus takes security a step further with a built-in fingerprint scanner, offering a convenient yet robust access solution. Its Wi-Fi connectivity, Alexa compatibility, and battery life are impressive. Pros: built-in fingerprint scanner, Wi-Fi connectivity, Alexa compatibility. Cons: higher price point. Number 7. SwitchWatt Lock. The SwitchWatt Lock stands out for its retrofit design, making it compatible with most deadbolts. Its wireless control, auto lock feature, and ease of use make it a versatile choice. Yet, a retrofit design might not be as visually appealing as some other options. Pros: retrofit design for compatibility, wireless control convenience, auto lock feature. Cons: Retrofit design may lack visual appeal. Number 8. Quickset Halo Touch. The Quickset Halo Touch offers a secure biometric option with its fingerprint recognition technology. Its simple installation, user code management, and sleek design make it an attractive choice. Users have, however, reported occasional fingerprint recognition inconsistencies. Pros: fingerprint recognition technology, simple installation, sleek design. Cons: occasional fingerprint recognition inconsistencies. Number 9. Ultralock Ubolt Pro Wi-Fi. The Ultralock Ubolt Pro Wi-Fi impresses with its versatile entry methods, including fingerprint, code, and smartphone access. Its durability, ease of installation, and anti-peep keypad add to its appeal. Pros: versatile entry methods, durability and anti-peep keypad, easy installation. Cons: connectivity issues reported. Number 10. Level Lock Touch. The Level Lock Touch offers a discreet and sleek design by being installed within your existing deadbolt. Its touch entry compatibility with Apple HomeKit and minimalist appearance make it an innovative choice. Pros: discreet installation within existing deadbolt, touch entry convenience, Apple HomeKit compatibility. Cons: limited compatibility with non-Apple devices. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of the top 10 best smart door locks, each with its unique features, benefits, and considerations. Make sure to weigh the pros and cons carefully to find the perfect smart door lock for your home.